The package from High Cocoa arrived. So at the moment I'm just editing a vlog of like little bits and pieces that I filmed earlier this year that they were meant to be their own separate vlogs, but I mean I never got around to doing it, and so I'm just combining them all together in one concise little vlog. Just eating some juk that my mom made and holla! Princess Protection Program! On episode 5 of Cookbait, I'm telling you, the drama, the suspense, it's got me hooked. Currently waiting for our tanks. Our third stop of the day is pizza. Here he comes, people, with the goods.
That's the goods, man. Hey, what's that?
Currently, I'm just waiting to hop on a Zoom for a job interview, and I'm so nervous. My hands are sweating. My hand holding the camera is shaking right now. It's just been a long time since I've had an interview. I mean, my friend helped me last night with some questions and working on my answers, so we'll see what kind of questions she asks. It starts at 12. It's 11:57 right now. I'm just waiting for her to start the meeting, so wish me luck. It do be boiling though. So happy, my friend Steph. I just asked her if she wants to video chat soon. She was like, yeah, in 20 minutes because she's driving, so I'm gonna talk to her soon. Spoons, 2 forks, oh thanks, and 2 chopsticks. Thank you! Oh my gosh! Thanks! Oh. Yeah! So it is 1 o'clock right now, and it's my sister's birthday today, so at the moment I'm just working on editing a video together of when my niece was born, kind of thing. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm also eating lunch while I'm at it. Yeah.